Actually, I'm promoting the chutney. So it's like I have both chicken Manchurian and veg noodles. So which one do you want to try?
Veg noodle with this.
So you need less chutney or more?
More. Yeah, that's all.
Hello, good afternoon. Would you like to try goat cheese?
No, this.
Yeah, I will give it. Please give a moment. This is a lactose free. This is 100% goat dairy. This is no preservative also. This is produced in Dubai only. Hi ma'am, goat cheese.